Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I just wanted to share with you these cute little lip balm or chapstick holders that I made. They're really cute. They make great little gifts and they fit perfectly a little lip balm inside. I first saw the tutorial on Poodle's Paper Craft. Her name is Sam and she does a really good tutorial on there, so I'll link that below so that you can follow it. And the only thing differently I think she did on hers was she punched holes in the top and put ribbon through instead of using these library clips like I've done. I'm just going to adjust my camera here a little bit. I think it's a little off. Okay, there. Yeah, so you just use, I believe it's a 6x6 paper, and she'll give you the measurements on her tutorial anyways. Yeah, they're really cute. And so I've used some different, this one's gold and white foil paper. And I'll just show you here. This is how it opens, and then you can just pop the little lip balm inside there. I know sometimes when you buy the lip balms, they come in packages of 2 or 3 sometimes, so if you want to take it apart and just give one to somebody, this makes a really cute little holder for it. Here's one I've done. This one says there's always a reason to smile. I've got a little butterfly on there, and it's done with the kind of a diamond paper from the Uptown Chic collection. Here's one that says hello with a little bling on there, and there's cute with the little, you know, library clips. This one has a pattern inside, double-sided paper. Just put that on there like so. Here's another one I've done that says perfect, and has a little pearl accent on there, and I'll just show you how I can just pop the little lip balm inside there like that, clip it up like so. It's really cute. And then here's one I've done in kind of grays and silver, the silver glitter tape on the bottom there, and I stamped just for you on a little piece of cardstock, added that on, and yeah, they just turned out really cute. So I thought I'd share that with you today, and maybe that will inspire you to make a little gift for a friend or one of your kids or something. So I hope you like that, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.